Okay, so the sixth reason I don't think you should marry a divorced woman is this, right? Guys, this is something that I have lived and I have experienced for myself. Listen, divorced women are a rebellious group of women. Once again, ladies, don't come for me. Ladies, I think by now we should all understand that I do not mean all women. I do not mean all divorced women. Listen, and this goes without saying with all my videos. But what I'm saying is this anecdotally and just from statistics and from what I see, divorced women are just rebellious. Guys, listen. You're about to marry a woman who does not and who did not obey God's law. She's rebelled against God. What makes you think that if things go bad and things go sour, she's going to stay faithful and loyal to you? And she's going to pick you over God? The creator of the universe, she's going to pick you. Why? Because you got a nice willie, right? Or you think because you got money. She is not even loyal. She is rebelling against the spirit that gives her air, that gives her life. Who the hell do you think you are? Huh? So guys, the biggest decision you're ever going to make, guys, learn from me. Learn from my mistake, right? The biggest thing that you're going to ever do in your life is marrying the right woman. Remember that.